24. Oh! Rupee to the batsman, Topsy, very well shot, played by the batsman for a single. With this single, the score moves to 110 for the loss of 746 in 35 deliveries. Rupee again to the batsman, Basharat. Rupee again to the batsman. Oh, again. Good wicket by Rupee. This is great bowling by Rupee. शाहरुख खान ने चित किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज को और डंडे बाहर किए बल्लेबाज बशारत के. Palpura Warriors, they are in trouble now. They lost their 8th wicket. They need only 46 in 34 deliveries. They have only 2 wickets in hand. This is a great bowling by the bowlers of Chukar Salmi today, especially Sajjad, Kamran Butt, and also Mehraj. Now this is Rupee again. Chukar Salmi, they need only 2 wickets to win this match. This is a great bowling by the bowlers of Chukar Salmi today, especially Sajjad, Kamran Butt, Mehraj and Rupee. 2 wickets to win this match. Palpura required 46 in 34 deliveries. They have only 2 wickets in hand. The new batsman is Mehraj Dar, is the new batsman for Palpura Warriors. Rupee, he is again on his body mark to the batsman Mehraj Dar. Again, very good shot played by the batsman for a single. 45 in 33 deliveries. Palpura Warriors required to win this match. Chukar Salmi, they need only 2 wickets to win this match. Rupee again to the batsman Tawseef. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. At the end, very good fielding by Mir Irish. The 2 batsmen complete only a single. It is Rupee again. He's on his bowling mark to the batsman. Wide given by the umpire. Thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. It is Rupee again to the batsman Mehraj. Oh, this is a chance of a catch, but very good fielding at the end by Sajjad. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 3 रन बचाए फील्डर ने. The 2 batsmen complete only a single. 114 for the loss of each. 42 in 31 deliveries. Rupee, he's on his last delivery to the batsman Tawseef. Very good delivery again. End of 15 overs. 114 for the loss of each. 30 deliveries, 42 runs. Trahan. Palpura required only 9 runs per over. Mehraj is into the attack. He's on his last over to the batsman Mehraj. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman at the end. Very good fielding. Here the 2 batsmen complete a single. This is great running between the wickets by the 2 batsmen Mehraj and Tawseef. 41 runs in 29 deliveries. Chukar Salmi, they need 2 wickets to win this match. Mehraj again to the batsman Tawseef. Oh, this is classic shot. Very good shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua. Seema rekha se baad 4 run. The score moves to 119 for the loss of 8. 37 in 28 deliveries. They have 2 wickets in hand. अब देखना होगा किस तरह की गेंदबाजी करेंगे चुकर सालमी के गेंदबाज और किस तरह की बल्लेबाजी करेंगे ये 2 बल्लेबाज तौसीफ और Mehraj. Mehraj again to the batsman Tawseef. Oh, again, good comeback by the bowler. Very good fielding, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to complete a single. 36 in 27 deliveries. This is interesting match here at Chukartul Bagh ground. Mehraj again to the batsman. Mehraj. This is wide given by the umpire. 35 in 27 deliveries. अब देखना होगा कौन सी टीम जीत दर्ज करने में कामयाब हो जाएगी. Mehraj again to the batsman. Mehraj. This is again good shot played by the batsman, but only a single. With this single, they need only 34 runs in 26 deliveries. Mehraj again to the batsman. Tawseef. This is good comeback by the bowler. Mehraj beat the batsman. No runs score remains on 122 for the loss of 8. Mehraj is on his last delivery to the batsman Tawseef. The batsman. This is a wide given by the umpire. 33 in 25 deliveries. Mehraj is on his last delivery to the batsman Tawseef. Here was a chance of a catch, but ball raised the boundary for 4. यहाँ पे और एक मौका था कैच लेने का, लेकिन this is well tried by the wicket keeper behind the wicket, Tawfiq. The ball raised the boundary for 4. 127 for the loss of 8. 29 in 24 deliveries. This is very interesting match. एक interesting match होता जा रहा है. 29, 24 deliveries and they have only 2 wickets in hand. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कौन सी टीम जीत दर्ज करने में कामयाब हो जाएगी. Ball, Kuntran. Sam Bilal bring Kamran or Sajjad. This is well suggestion for Sam Bilal to Chukar Salmi. अगर हम चुकर सालमी की बात करेंगे तो सिर्फ 2 विकेट चटकाए चाहिए जीत दर्ज करने के लिए. अब देखना होगा किस तरह की गेंदबाजी करेंगे चुकर सालमी की गेंदबाज. इट इज सज्जाद इनटू द बॉलिंग अटैक अगेन. This is very good delivery by Sajjad. Here the 2 batsmen wants to take a single. This is clear turning between the wickets by the 2 batsmen. Sajjad again to the batsman. Again good delivery. शाहरुख खान ने चित किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज को. बॉल सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में. 22 गेंदें और 28 रन चाहिए पालपुरा वॉरियर्स को. चुकर सालमी को सिर्फ 2 विकेट चाहिए जीत के लिए. This is great shot played by the batsman at the end. Very good fielding by Kamran, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. The score moves to 129 for the loss of 8. 21 run, 27 runs. This is a great shot, great fielding at the end by Rupir. Here is yes no. Missed it by, this is extra runs here. The 2 batsmen complete 2 runs. Palpura Warriors, they need 25 runs in 20 deliveries and they have 2 wickets in hand. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कौन सी टीम जीत दर्ज करने में कामयाब हो जाएगी. इट इज सज्जाद अगेन टू द बैट्समैन मेहराज. दिस इज वेरी गुड डिलीवरी. शाहरुख खान ने चित किया बल्लेबाज को और बॉल गई सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में. सज्जाद अगेन टू द बैट्समैन मेहराज. अगेन गुड डिलीवरी बाय मेहराज. सज्जाद सॉरी. नो रन. स्कोर रिमेन्स ऑन 131 for the loss of 8. Now Palpura Warriors, they need 25 runs in 18 deliveries. 3 overs are remaining in this evening. Which team will be win this match? कौन सी टीम जीत दर्ज करने में कामयाब हो जाएगी इस मुकाबले में? Now into the attack it is Umar Fayaz into the bowling attack. After 17 overs, 131 for the last period. Now into the attack it is Umar Fayaz into the bowling attack. He's on his first over. The batsman on strike is Dar Tausif. He's on 13. 18 degrees. 25 required for Pura. Umar Fayaz to Tausif. Oh! Dandana हुआ सीमा के बाद 6 रन तौसीफ के बल्ले से. This is great shot played by the batsman in leg side past 6. Now 19 runs in 17 deliveries. Only 3 big hits. Palpura need to win this match. Chukar Zalmi, they need 2 wickets. It is Umar Fayaz again. Again, good shot played by the batsman in leg side for 4. This is great shot played by the batsman Tausif. Now 15 runs to win this match in 16 deliveries. This is a great shot played by the batsman in leg side Tausif Tar. He moves to 23. The partnership moves to 31 in 18 deliveries. Now Palpura Warriors, they need only 15 runs in 16 deliveries. It is Umar Fayaz again to the batsman Tar Tausif. Again, good shot played by the batsman, but only a single. Palpura, they need only 14 runs in 15 deliveries. Now on strike is Mehraj. Umar to batsman Mehraj. Oh, this is good comeback by the bowler Umar Fayaz. Beat the batsman. Shahrukh Khan ने चित किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज को मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीट किया गेंदबाज उमर फयाज ने. यहाँ पे विकेट चाहिए, यहाँ पे डॉट डिलीवरी चाहिए चुकर सालमी को अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है. Umar Fayaz again to the batsman. The batsman wants to hit the ball. Is out killed by the umpire. Very good keeping behind the wickets by Tawfiq Noor. यहाँ पे संभाल के खेला हो था इस बल्लेबाज को, विकेट बचानी होती. यहाँ पे वो उसको मौका था इस मैच में जीत दर्ज करने का लेकिन गवाया अपना विकेट. मुफ्त में अपने विकेट गवाया वहाँ पे बल्लेबाज महराज ने. This is great stepping by behind the wickets by Tawfiq Noor. 14 runs in 13 deliveries and this is the last pair. This is very interesting match here at Chukar Tulba ground between Chukar Salmi versus Palpura Warriors. Umar Fayaz, he's again on his last delivery to the batsman, the new batsman Mohammad Yusuf. Oh, this is great delivery. And after 18 overs, now 12 deliveries, 14 runs to win this match. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कौन सी टीम जीतने में कामयाब हो जाएगी इस मुकाबले में. This is a good comeback by the bowler Umar Fayaz. Behind the wickets, it is great keeping by Tawfiq Noor. Oh, la la la! Oh, 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 you can. High ball, high ball. Oh, कर पास में बांट रहा, कर पत्थर पास बहुत रास नहीं है. Something छाती है. अपना रबिया, रबिया था ये. Imtiaz Hussain, inshallah, Lala win this match. Thank you, Imtiaz, for joining us. This is very interesting match here. Now, 12 deliveries, 14 runs. Chukar Zalmi, they need only 1 wicket to win this match. Roopmere into the bowling attack. अब देखना होगा कौन सी टीम ये दर्ज करने में कामयाब हो जाएगी. 12 गेंदों में 14 रन चाहिए. This is last player for Palpura Warriors. Roopmere into the bowling attack. The batsman on strike is Tar Tasif. He's on. Oh, this is very good delivery by Roopmere. End up this match. This is win for Chukar Zalmi. They won this match by 14 runs. This is a great bowling by Roopmere. Clean bowled किया, डंडे बाहर किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज तौसीफ के. So this is a win for Chukar Zalmi. They won this match by 14 runs. End of this live broadcast. We'll meet again after this tomorrow inshallah. So this is the end of this live broadcast. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. So this is win for Chukar Zalmi. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.